We're here at Gator Pitch with a company revolutionizing the interview process. Let's learn more about Prepify. Hudson, tell us a little bit more about who you are and what you do.
Yeah, I'm a third-year electrical engineering student at University of Florida. And what we're doing is we are building out the world's best AI interviewer. So right now it's for interview preparation. So anyone that has a job coming up or an interview coming up, you can go on our site, take an interview for free. It's with real past questions. We use those questions with our AI mock interviewer. It's like talking to a human like we're talking now. No buttons, no anything. And then afterwards, we tell you everything you're messing up. And then we're working to build out a complete AI interview for companies. So instead of having to spend 20 to 25 hours for a company to hire someone, in terms of interviewing, they'll take 2 and use the anti-cheat, use whatever questions they want to do, and just make it as human as possible.
And why is that important?
Because in terms of hiring someone now, it's just incredibly inefficient. On average, they have 250 applicants, and then they'll down select just based on resume. A lot of people lie on resumes. They don't know what type of candidates they're getting. And then they have to spend $2,000 in labor costs just interviewing those candidates to get down to the one that they want. I just think it's inefficient, it's ineffective. People my generation hate the whole process. They've been spending hours and hours every week just applying, and it's just not fun.
And how is this different than maybe AI systems already out there?
Yeah, so there's no AI system with conversational AI that includes anti-cheat and is fine-tunable. So essentially, there's been an influx of AI cheaters. So basically you'll have ChatGPT on your screen, and then you'll see the answer for whatever the interviewer asks you. But then the interviewer doesn't know if you're actually a good candidate or not. So we're trying to make anti-cheat so we can just detect where you're looking on your screen through eye contact and calibration, and then have it be fine-tunable. And so essentially after every interview, it gets better to the point where a company can build out the perfect AI interviewer and not have to really do interviews themselves.
And where are you guys at in the process right now?
Yeah, so we started development in summer. It was just us 3, and now we're growing to a team of about 10. We've developed the direct consumer, so basically where anyone can go and take a mock interview. But then now we are working to add in, so by the time you are done with your mock interview, we make you a resume with whatever keywords you need. We do practice modules where you talk with an AI and it teaches you. And then we're also building out our B2B to have a full interview for companies.